Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to change profile picture on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing profile picture on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Click on three dots at the top right corner. Now select settings. Click on your profile picture. Click on camera icon at the bottom of profile picture. From here, select any option and upload your profile picture. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change profile picture on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.